So we're taking some rose petals from our little rose here, and we're going to leave the inside, so hopefully it is either self-pollinated or got pollinated, and you can see a lot of the fibers have crossed, so hopefully we had some bees that pollinated it, because we want to see this develop into fruit, which would be the rose hip down here, which has even more medicinal qualities, but we're going to use the medicinal qualities of these rose petals here, and they smell amazing. You can make rose water. We're going to make rose petal tea. These are extremely anti-inflammatory, and they help headaches. They help cramps for muscles and stomach, menstrual. They help with all kinds of skin irritations. So if you have rashes or acne or anything, bruises, abrasions, they can help heal those things. They're antiviral. They've got all kinds of healing properties. So we're actually going to just make a tea out of these and use it because they're good for headaches as well. And my Tim has a headache, so we're going to pull off a bunch of these petals and make us some fresh tea to help with some headache action. And then you can actually use the petals themselves. You can make tonic out of these, which would be the rose water. You can distill them, and you can use the petals themselves to place onto irritated skin, rashes, joints, anything that's inflamed. They're good to use also for wrinkles. They're a great beauty care, so that's often incorporated into beauty supplies, and under the eyes, eye creams, you know, that kind of stuff. So we're gonna take these with us and harvest these and leave a little bit of this other on here. And hopefully we'll have some rose hip develop, and we'll have the fruit as well. So this is our first rose ever after planting these. We have some more buds that are developing. So we'll have 3 more roses. This is the paradise rose, and then those are the love roses. Those are these guys bloomed right after this one did. So those are our first 3 roses, and we just planted these at the beginning of February. So that's pretty cool, I would say. All right. So I will take this inside, and we're going to make some tea.